Hello guys, I am Hassan Kaur and I am from Cad Gizmo. Friends, this is our second lecture of Autocad, and in this lecture we see the uses and preference of Autocad, and we see what are the benefits of the software and how we use this software as a professional field. Before I start the video, please like, subscribe and share my channel and press the bell icon to see the latest videos. So we start the video. Uses of Autocad. In the old days, the only way that engineers and architects could illustrate their ideas was if they drew them out by hand. Before the age of computers, a designer would have to manually revise designs. You would have to create an entirely new draft or edit the draft you had, which could become difficult to interpret. These days, pen and paper have been replaced by computers and design softwares like Autocad. Reasons for implementing CAD systems: to increase the productivity of the designer, to improve the quality of design, to create a database for manufacturing, and to improve communication through documentation. Uses of Autocad. We divide into two parts. The first one is the training program and the second one as a career information. In the training program, this CAD computer-aided designing can be found in many institutions for skill updating with certification and degree programs in Autocad. They give training to students to have hands-on uses of software for industrial drafting and assembling with certification. Central Institution of Tool Design is one such institute. Uses of Autocad as a career information. First one, we see the architects. Second one is interior design. The third one is fine arts. The fourth one is civil engineer. Fifth one is mechanical engineer. And sixth one is electrical engineer. The first one is architect. Architect use this software because Autocad is often used to create blueprints and floor plans for houses and commercial buildings. It also comes with built-in tools that can analyze and remedy weakness in a building design. As an interior designer, similarly, Autocad can be used to imagine the interior of a building, whether it's an eating space for a restaurant or a living space in a home. For the home, we see our interior as a bedroom, in the living room, in the dining room and the drawing room. For the fine art students, the ability of Autocad are so wide ranging that even artists use it to draw sculptures, wood carving, engraving and experimental art pieces. And for the mechanical engineer, you might use it to create manufacturing processes as well as to design motor parts, different types of mechanical parts, robots and other innovative objects. And for the electrical engineering, you might use it to map out electrical system. And in the civil engineering, you might use it as you help to design bridges and roads. Autocad used to design blueprints for buildings, bridges and roads. The house or apartment you are currently living in was mostly likely designed using Autocad software. It gives the designer a tool to draw things on scale. So guys, this is our uses and preference of Autocad. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment in below. So guys, take care of yourself and see you soon in the next video.